Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to enable the legacy menu quickly and understand why it matters. First, make sure your Autocad profile is writable so changes can be saved. Next, type menu bar at the command prompt and press enter, then type 1 and press enter. This turns on the classic menu bar so you can access familiar pull-down menus. Once done, you'll see File, Edit, View menus. Make sure to save your workspace after verifying the bar is visible so the change persists. Now you'll customize the menu so it matches your workflow and to learn how the system stores settings. Type CUI to open the Customize User Interface. This provides structured control over menu groups, menus, and commands. Create a new menu or modify an existing one by dragging commands from the command list into the menu structure. Use separators and submenus where needed. Once organized, click Apply, then OK to write changes to the QX file. Then test a few commands from the new menu to confirm they run. Finish by making the change durable and handling common failures. Save the current workspace with WS Save or use the workspace switching icon so your menu layout loads every time. If you need the layout on other machines, export the QX file and import it there. This is why backing up matters. If the menu disappears later, first reset your profile or reload the QX backup. If that fails, repair the Autocad install. One key troubleshooting tip: reset to a saved workspace before making more changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.